friends, welcome to our channel Be Smart. Hope you guys are good. Let's start without any delay. Our topic today is how to find jobs in Google. We do not need to introduce you to Google because nowadays children know that if they want to get information about anything, then they have to seek help. Because Google is the world's largest search engine. Whenever we have to get any information, we go to Google itself. Friends, millions of people dream to do a job in Google. It is said that every year more than 2 million of people apply for a job in Google. They do, but only 5,000 of these people get a job. If you all also want to work in Google company, then you should know how and where to apply for it. So in today's video, we will tell you how to get a square in Google, what should be the qualification for it and how much salary does it get. Working with a company like Google is a dream come true for anyone because the jobbers get a good salary package with a lot of features in it. As I told you earlier in this video, only told that every year lakhs of people here for jobs apply, but just a few thousands people are selected. This will give you an idea of what kind of candidate will be selected. Google organizes a placement process for selection of bright and talented employees and includes tests and interviews. Let's know what is the eligibility criterion to get a job in Google. The Google company says that there is no one type of Googler. For example, Google employees, so that everyone should have the same specialty. That is why we are always looking for people who are looking for new approaches to our teams and bring life experience. If you are looking for colleagues who are big thinkers to take on new challenges as a team, then you are a future Googler. And what should be the qualification to get a job in Google? Let us know about it. To get a job at Google, you must have a BTech or MCA degree. You must maintain 65% marks throughout the academic. This means that for the 10th time and 65% marks should be obtained in BTech and MCA courses. Candidates should have completed knowledge of English language. They should know how to communicate well in this language. Should have good knowledge about internet, web research, online advertising, fraud detection, numerical analysis and e-commerce. Candidates should be expert in mathematics, reasoning, good writing, should have good grip in subjects like verbal and communication skills. The candidate has a very good programming skill, which is very important, such as any C++, C++, Java, etc. Computer nearby candidate must also have extensive knowledge of software and hardware. Let's talk about how there is a job category in Google. Number 1. Engineering. Google includes software engineering, STA engineering, application development, product management, etc. for technical everyday. Number 2. Business. In business category, for non-technical jobs at Google, quantitative business analysis, business operation management, sales strategy, etc. And number 3, design category. Design category includes user interface, user experience, UX writer, visual designer, UX researcher, etc. And now we will know how to apply for a job in Google. So friends, you can apply for Google in 3 ways. The first way to apply online using websites, get a job in Google site career.google.com and apply. Here you can see job requirements in different positions and in different places. You can apply for whatever job matches your skills, education and experience. You can also take your resume by choosing the post to the best of your ability. Keep in mind that your resume should be effective. Then you will get a call for an interview, otherwise it will be rejected. Another is campus placement. Google is famous for college placement program. Selects college or university like IIT, NIT, DTU, etc. And the third is Asia Pacific Test. An online test is conducted by Google, which is designed for youth talent in computer science and related fields. This is a coding contest conducted by Google everywhere. Those who are interested can register for this exam. In this exam, the top contestants get a golden opportunity to interview for a technical job on Google. You know what happens after applying for a job at Google? After online application, if Google feels that you can work with them, then you get a call for an interview. At Google, the interview is conducted both by telephone or as a hangout. If recruiters like your application for a role, their next step is a telephone or hangout interview with Google. In this interview, knowledge related to your role is estimated. In the interview, some questions related to data structure and algorithms are asked for technique. After passing the telephonic interview, you are called to Google's office for the interview, in which the general knowledge ability of a candidate is seen. Leadership quality is also seen in that. This question is asked about the knowledge of job role so that it can be told whether he is an expert in his work or not. If you are appearing in the interview, then you are given a few days training according to your position. After this, you are given a joining letter. Now, finally, we will talk about how much salary package is there after getting a job in Google. As big a company as Google, its salary is also great. Google's employees is about 1 crore rupees annually. Google offers a lot of facilities along with a good salary package. Such employees are given free food, swimming pool, relax house, gym, medical help, etc. are provided to reduce work stress. Google also allows its employees to work from home. There is a chance to work with full freedom in Google and there is no pressure to work here. Everyone wants to work in Google company so that he gets good salary and his future can also be good. So I hope you have come to know through this video how a job can be found on Google. If you have talent in you and you also have work experience, then you can easily get a job in Google. If you like this video, then share this video as much as possible so that everyone will be known. Thank you so much for watching.